Welcome to our channel, Aathreya Education. Myself, Aathreya. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a text editor in which we type HTML programs. Now, let's see how to download and install Visual Studio Code. Open a browser and open a search engine like Google and type Visual Studio Code download. Here open the first link which we get from code.visualstudio.com, and here we can find Visual Studio Code for Windows, Linux and Mac. In my case, I am going with Windows, so click on the Download for Windows button to download the Visual Studio Code installer for Windows. As you can see here, Visual Studio Code is getting downloaded. After downloading, run the downloaded file. Click on Run and say OK. Accept the agreement and click on Next. Here click on Next again and click on Next. Here check mark all the additional options and click on Next. After that, click on Install, which will install Visual Studio Code. And Visual Studio Code is installed. Uncheck Launch Visual Studio Code and click on Finish. Now on the desktop, you can find a shortcut Visual Studio Code. Double click to open it. Here it shows the welcome screen. Close it and click on File and New File to create a new file. Before typing our code, let's save the file. Click on File and Save. The shortcut to save the file is Ctrl+S. Let me give the title as welcome.html and save the file. Now give the tag HTML and in the HTML tag, give the tag head, and under the head tag, give the tag title and give the title as welcome. In the body tag, type welcome to HTML, which completes our code. Now, to run the file, we have to download an extension. And click on the extensions button, which you can see here, and type open in browser. In my case, it's already installed. Instead of the uninstall button, you can find the install button. Just click on it to install the open in browser extension. After that, right click on our code and click on open in default browser, which opens the file displaying the message welcome to HTML in our default browser. Please subscribe, like and share our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.